Ang daming tanong about dun sa latest Bank of Canada rate cut announcement video ko. So, sagutin natin yung mga iba dito. First question, will it affect renewal po kaya? Yes, maapektuhan siya. Pag renewal na ng mortgage mo, hindi na applicable yung old rate mo. Susunod ka na sa current market rate. Next question, what if po ate, for renewal ako this year, will it affect mine po? Oo sis, if magre-renew ka this year, you'll feel the impact. Kung mas mataas ang rates ngayon, posible na tumaas ang monthly payment mo. Next question. So, affected po yung mga bagong mortgage? Yes, kung ano ang current market rates upon submission, yun ang makukuha mong rate. Okay, next question. Kailan po effect nito? Usually, agad-agad, once the banks or lenders adjust. Especially kung may announcement ang Bank of Canada, mabilis mag-update ang mga lenders. Next question. What if mag-refinance? Kapag nag-refinance ka, parang bago ulit ang mortgage mo. So yes, apektado ka rin. You need to requalify at current rates. Next question. Until when po yung rate na yan? Kasi for renewal kami next month. Ang rates pwedeng magbago anytime. Pero pwede kang magpa-rate hold now para secured ka kahit next month ka pa mag-renew. Usually good for 30 to 120 days depende sa lender. So again, just to remind you, this rate of Bank of Canada is different from mortgage rates. Usually, mas mataas ang mortgage rates.